and then have them send you a few samples of their copy so you can review it before you make a decision. And I would typically have 3 people that I would look for, and then I'd be like, which one matches my voice the best? The best copywriters are able to transform their writing style into your voice. Happy Thursday, Sales Ascender. Sean here. Hold on. Good morning. So I'm super excited today. We have a great question. Comes from Mr. Steve L. Steve asks this. He says, Sean, I need help with sales copy on my website. Any suggestions? And yes, I have tons of suggestions for this. I had a wonderful conversation yesterday with a young girl. She's actually one of our Sales Ascender's Inner Circle family members. She is a professional copywriter. I was asking her a little bit about copy, and she was saying there's 3 types of copy that you got to really kind of look for. If you're searching for a copywriter to bring into your organization to help you with copy, if you're at that place in your business, then this is going to be really valuable. What she told me was, she said, Sean, there's 3 types of different copywriters. There's content copywriters, there's promotions copywriters, and then there's conversion copywriters. The content ones are going to be your blogging style of copywriter. Your promotional ones are going to be like seasonal, keeping an audience warm through email marketing. And then there's going to be conversion copywriters. Conversion copywriters are going to be the most expensive to hire if you are at that place and you need to hire somebody. If I needed sales copy on my website, first of all, in copywriting in general, like if you are an online entrepreneur and you haven't geeked out on at least 2 or 3 or 5 different copywriting books, Joe Vitale is one of the first ones that I would suggest. I'm going to suggest a couple. So he's got a book called Hypnotic Writing, How to Seduce and Persuade Your Customers with Only Words. This book, when I first started online, I read and literally was giving me all of the cheat codes to copywriting. There's a couple other ones. This one, if you are into it, Breakthrough Advertising by Eugene Schwartz. Eugene Schwartz is literally one of the gods of copywriting, and he talks about it in his book, Breakthrough Advertising. This book cost me $954, like $954, right? Why is it so important to me? Because it showed me how to learn to use words. I watched an interview yesterday with Tim Ferriss, and he was saying, if there's anything that you should study when you get in the online game, it is copywriting. If you are looking for sales copy on your website and you haven't learned copy yet, that's what you need to do, is geek out on a few copy books. Start writing your own copy. That's working your way into the system, and then they would be writing your own sales page copy. Now, if you're in the place where you don't have time to do that, then hiring somebody is going to make a lot of sense. When you do go hire somebody, what I would suggest is looking at, do you need conversion copy on a website? You're going to look for probably a content/conversion copywriter. How do you tell the difference, Sean? Ask them when you're speaking with them. Say, hey, what type of copywriting do you typically do? And when they tell you, hey, I do conversion copy, then now you know that you're probably in a realm of higher dollar copywriters. And some of the best ones out there charge quite a bit of money. Back to the books. One of the other better copywriting books is called How to Write Copy That Sells by Ray Edwards. This one, if you're just getting started, is epic. If you need help in storytelling to come up with stories for your copywriting, this book, long story short, is fantastic for giving you starters to write your own copy. And then this one, if you need to geek out and read some good copy, like one of the things they say when you start learning copywriting, one of the best things to do is to read a lot of really good copy. Robert Collier is one of the best. And this book right here, The Letter Book by Robert Collier, is literally recommended by almost every single author that I've ever, copywriting author that I've ever come across. If you're hiring a copywriter, narrow it down to 2 or 3 people. So are they content for you? Are they writing your blog? Are they writing your emails? Are they writing on your website? Or are they building like an email sequence to sell something? Are they writing conversion copy for sales letters? What are they writing? So figure that part out first, then choose the bucket of copywriter that you need, and then have them send you a few samples of their copy so you can review it before you make a decision. And I would typically have 3 people that I would look for, and then I'd be like, which one matches my voice the best? The best copywriters are able to transform their writing style into your voice. So when you ask for a sample, maybe have them write you like a quick sample email just so you can see in your voice. That's something that you could ask for, and read it. And if it sounds like it's something you would write, then that might be the right copywriter for you, right? Because here's the biggest thing that I'll share. If you hire a copywriter and they don't speak in your voice, that's a humongous problem. Why is it a problem, Sean? Well, because what happens is now you become dependent on a voice that's not your own. So if you're trying to make changes and you're trying to make adjustments, like that's not going to work out really well for you. It's going to put you in this place where it causes you a lot of mental strain. and it's never good. And go from there and see what happens. See if you can find somebody that makes sense, can write in your voice, and can write in the style that you want. Take a shot, do a trial, see what happens, measure the results, right? Always start small and then scale fast. Let us know what your big win is this week. Would love to hear it. Just drop it in a comment below, and I will see you guys